Hey everyone, I've been in the garden all day today, and so I want to make a quick dinner, so I thought I'd just bring you along for it. I'm going to make a pasta chicken parm. I've got some breaded chicken here. These are, I don't know if it's the sauce that's flavoured or if they are, but it will go fine. It will all add to the flavour. And so I'm going to pop these in the air fryer and get some pasta on, and it's just going to be a quick weekday dinner. I'm using rigatoni for this, but you can use whatever pasta you want. So while the pasta is cooking and the chicken, I'm just going to start cooking out some onion and soften that in a pan with some garlic. We don't want those too brown, really, they're just to soften them, and then I'm going to add some garlic. So to that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of oregano. And then I'm going to add a jar of this tomato, which I canned up last year. And just a little bit of water just to clean out. Salt. And pepper. Half a teaspoon of paprika and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And you don't have to use this, I just really love adding it, and it does add a nice flavour. Give that just a stir round. Bit of Parmesan to the sauce now. Just bring that to the simmer. So before the pasta is fully cooked, just a few moments before, I'm going to put it in with the tomato and chicken, cover that with cheese and let that cook for about 5 minutes.